आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, today question is the matrix they are given e power t. So the given one matrix is invertible. Okay students, so they are given already the matrix is invertible. We have to find which option is true. Okay student, which option is true. Okay student, let's move to the answer. First I am going to the matrix A. Okay student, so in this matrix I am going to take from first column, I will take et. Here first row t I'm going to take, so it will become e power t. Here e power minus t. Okay students, so e power minus t and e power minus t I am going to take this one. Okay students, therefore the matrix will be 1 1 1. Okay students, 1 1 1, and here sin t minus 2 cos t, and this one is minus 2 sin t plus cos t, and this one is cos t, and the third column is minus 2 sin t minus cos t, and then sin t minus 2 cos t, and then here sin t. So this is the matrix we will get here. Now here e power t and e power minus t value is 0, so e power 0 is 1, right? So I'm going to take this is a 1 and I'm going to do some operation here. So row 2 I'm going to change row r2 minus r1, and row 3 I'm going to change as r3 minus r1. Okay students, therefore the value is equal to this is 1 into e power t equal to e power minus t. Okay students, the matrix will come here. Here r2 equal to, so first row come as it is, 1 sin t minus 2 cos t and minus 2 sin t minus cos t. Okay students, now I am going to r2 minus r1, so r2 minus r1, so 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Here minus 2 sin t plus cos 2t. Okay students, so we will get minus this of minus, so minus plus 1, so it will become, sorry student, this one is minus here because we are going to take minus t here. See here I'm going to take minus t, so the minus are going to inside minus and minus cos t. Okay students, so minus 2 sin t minus sin t became 3 sin t minus 3 sin t, here minus cos t and plus 2 cos t, it became plus cos t, and then here this one sin t minus of minus equal to 3 sin t, here minus 2 cos t plus cos t, it became minus cos t, and then r3 value is minus r1 value, so 1 minus 1 is 0, and then here cos t minus this one, so minus 3 cos t minus here 3 cos t minus sin t, we will get sin t minus of minus plus, so 3 sin t, and then plus cos t. So this is the determinant value we will get here. Now here in the first column the first two row values are 0. Okay students, so I'm going to expand this one, so I'm going to expand along column 1. Therefore we will get the e power minus t into 1 into this value. I'm going to take minus 3 sin t plus cos t and 3 cos t minus sin t, and here 3 sin t minus cos t and 3 sin t plus cos t. So this is the two values we are going to take. Okay students, Now I'm going to cross multiply this one, so we will get e power minus t into, I'm going to cross multiply this one, minus 3 sin t plus cos t into this one 3 sin t plus cos t, and then minus this value 3 cos t minus sin t into 3 sin t minus cos t. Okay students, now I am going to multiply this one, so e power minus t, I am going to multiply this one, so we will get minus 9 sin square t, because I am going to multiply with each individual term like this, so we will get minus sin square t plus 3 sin t cos t minus 3 sin t cos t plus cos square t, and then minus this minus will come here, so 9 sin t cos t plus 3 cos square t plus 3 sin square t minus sin t cos t. Okay students, so here this 3 sin t cos t and 3 sin t cos t will cancel here. Okay students, next I'm going to e power minus t will come as it is. Here minus 9 sin square t, here 3 sin square t, so minus 9 plus 3 equal to minus 6 sin square t will come, and then here cos square t here and 3 cos square t, so it became 4 cos square t, and here minus 9 sin t cos t, here minus sin t cos t, so it will become minus 10 sin t cos t. Okay students, so this is what we will get here. Next I am going to factorize this one, so e power t, I am going to factorize this one, so it will become minus 6 sin square t, this 10 sin t cos t I am going to return as minus 12 sin t cos t plus 2 into sin t cos t plus 4 into cos square t. Okay students, so I'm going to take the factorize here, so minus t equal to minus 6 sin t I'm going to take outside, so it will become sin t plus 2 cos t, sin t plus 2 cos t, and then here I'm going to take 2 cos t value outside, so plus 2 cos t value outside, so it will become sin t plus 2 cos t. Okay students, the whole value. Now I am going to take the value right, simplify this one, t equal to sin t plus 2 cos t into minus 6 sin t plus 2 cos t. Okay students, so this one, this value is a value is modulus of a value, so this value is not equal to, this matrix value is not equal to 0, because it is here it is invertible. Okay, so the value is not equal to 0. Okay students, now I am going to substitute the values here, t equal to pi by 2 pi and t belongs to r. So if I going to substitute pi by 2, if I substitute pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0, here sin by 2 is 6, so here 1 into minus 6 is there, which is not equal to 0, right? So therefore by this condition here t belongs to r, where r is the real number, right? So r is the real number, real value. Okay student, r is the real value here, therefore this value is not equal to 0, therefore option C is the correct answer. Okay, so therefore option C is correct answer. Okay students, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।